Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel, Easy Streaming, where I will be letting you know everything you need to know to make streaming easy for you. In this video, I will be showing you how to install Downloader. I'll also explain to you exactly what Downloader is. I'll show you how to use it, and I'll also tell you when and why you may want to use Downloader. So without further ado, let's get started. We're going to start here on the home screen of your Fire Stick. So if you're not on the home screen already, just press the home button on your remote control and it'll take you to the home screen. Once you get to here at the home screen, we're going to look at the top bar of applications here. And you're going to go over to Find, the word Find. If you don't see the word Find, you may see a magnifying glass, which would be the Find icon. So just go there. And once you get there, just below it, you will see the word search. So just go down to search and click it. On the next screen that comes up, you're going to see some letters and numbers. And this is going to allow you to type in the app that you're looking for. And in this case, we're going to type in Downloader. So go ahead and type in Downloader. And as you can see, as you start to type in Downloader, it already auto-generates some applications here at the bottom. And I guess these are some popular applications. But you'll see that Downloader is already starting to be generated at the bottom. So you can go ahead and go down here at the bottom and click Downloader. And on the next screen, it's going to give you the option to download it. The option to download it is the only option you have here. So you just click the button, and you'll automatically start to download the application. Once it's done downloading, it is going to automatically install as well. And you'll know when it's completed because it's going to give you the option to open Downloader, which is what we're going to do. But when you open Downloader, take your time. Don't go too fast because you're going to have to click Allow, which is going to give Downloader permission to install applications on your Fire Stick. So make sure you click Allow when you open the Downloader app for the first time. So what is Downloader? Downloader, I guess, is sort of the Fire Stick version of Google, because on Downloader you are able to search the web, you can browse the internet, and you can also install applications that are not available in the Fire Stick application store. And that's what you're mainly going to be using it for, to install applications that are not in the Fire Stick App Store. And to download these applications, though, you are going to need a direct web address to the application, or you're going to need a link or code that goes directly to the application. And I'll explain that a little bit further in just a second. Okay, so with Downloader open here, um, this is the main screen of it. This is the Downloader's home screen. Right above the word Go, you're going to see the search bar. And at the moment, I have Walmart entered into the search bar here. And we're just going to go up to that space there and click it. If there's something already entered here in the space, like right here, I have Walmart already typed in. We're just going to go down here to the bottom and clear that out. Most of the time when you use Downloader, you're going to have a code or a link to type in here. But we're not going. I don't have a code or a link to type in at the moment, so we're just going to use HBO Max for an example. So we're just going to type in HBO Max here. Now, HBO Max is also an app you can get out of the Fire Stick App Store, so you really don't have to do it this way. But like I said, this is just an example, so I can show you how to use the Downloader app. So once you get it typed in, you just want to go down here to the bottom and click Go. And you're going to see, just like a Google search, a bunch of results are going to pop up here. And basically, you just click one of these links to go install the app. The one that says AFTV, that's the one that works best with Fire Stick. So if you have an app that you're searching for and you see that link there, just go ahead and click that one like we're going to do here. And it's going to start downloading in just a few seconds. You just have to let it keep going, keep counting down here. So it should automatically start downloading in just a second. And after it's done downloading, it should give you the option to install the application. Now, if this is your first time using Downloader, you're probably going to have to change some settings in your Fire Stick. It's not going to give you the option to install the application. You're going to get this error here. It's either going to look like this or it's going to say something else, which I'll show you later on in the video. But if it looks like this here, all you have to do is click right here where it says Settings. Then you're going to have these two options here. So you want to go to Install Unknown Apps first. And this is going to show you just about every app you have on your Fire Stick, just about. But what you want to do is make sure you have all of these turned on, especially Downloader, because that's what we're going to be using to download the app. And this allows your app to do updates and also allows your app to download things like that as well. So make sure you have all of those turned on. And also, you want to turn on ADB debugging as well on that first screen. So you want to turn all of those on. And then you can just press the back button and you'll be right back here on your downloader app where you can just install the application. Remember, I told you that it may look different. You may get a different error if you're using Downloader for the first time. I'm going to go back now and show you how that second error may look. So once it downloads the app here, like I said, it should automatically ask you to install after. But if you get this error, the error may look like this here, where it says APK downloaded but not installed because apps from unknown sources are not turned on. So this is basically the same thing that the other one said. And you fix it the same way, but it's probably going to be a little bit different. Just depends on which version of the Fire Stick you have. So what you want to do is go back to your home screen. And then you want to go down to Settings. And then you want to go to My Fire TV. Once you get to My Fire TV, you want to click Developer Options. If you do not have developer options here, you want to go to About. And at the top, you should see Fire TV Stick or something of that sort. You just want to click that about 8 times. And once you click that 8 times, just press the back button. You should have access to developer options here. And you'll have these two options, and you just want to turn both of them on. ADB debugging, apps from unknown sources, just turn both of those on. Now you just want to go back to your home screen and open the Downloader app again. Then go ahead on and search for your app again, HBO Max. Just type it in again, and it's going to go through the download process. And this time, after it's done downloading, it is going to give you the option to install the app. So we are just going to get back to that part where we are installing the app because we've already gone through the downloading part here. So let's skip back to the part where we are given the option to install the app. All right, so just like before, we just clicked the link and the app is downloading. And since we now have the Fire Stick settings fixed, adjusted, it should automatically give us the option to install the app just like it's doing here on the screen. So what you want to do is go ahead on and click install. Now, after it's done installing, do not click open. What you want to do here is click done. Do not click open, click done. And the reason we do that is because we need to delete this APK file here so it would not take space on take up space on your Fire Stick. So click delete and delete. And that is it. You can locate the app that we just installed, the HBO Max app, just like you find all the rest of your apps. Just go to your apps and channel section. You'll see the HBO Max app here is at the bottom. That just about does it for this video here. You are now one step closer to becoming a streaming expert. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like the video and check out a few of my other videos as well for more useful tips and tricks with the Fire Stick. Until next time, Happy streaming.